Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I'm always dumpster diving, but I haven't filmed a live dive with you guys in a while, so I figured I would take you along with me today. I'm hoping to hit quite a few good stops and hopefully find some good stuff. So we're starting off right here at the dollar store. Alright, so it's still, oh my gosh. I saw its tail and then it came out at me. That was just a squirrel. But it is still just people's dumping in here. Around the holidays, there's so much dumping. Even though it's the holidays, it's still illegal, so don't do that. Nothing in there. And the next store I hit in this strip, they're currently, you can't even see it. Do you see that big truck? They're currently getting their cardboard taken away. So I'm going to hang out for just a second and then I will take you over there. So I waited for a bit and that truck was still there right in front of the dumpster gathering the cardboard, so I couldn't wait any longer. Not a big loss with that store, but I'm here at a dollar type store now. And it's garbage. Gross, but I am going to take this because I get 10 cents for that. And I'll see you at the next stop. Pharmacy is our next stop here. I see a few things in there. Oh yeah. We got some stuff. There's some slippers. Some bows. Check that bag out. And there's some stuff right there, it looks like. Maybe right there. Alright, I'm gonna get my grabber and I'll keep you guys updated. Swinging around to our next stop. And when I was here the other day, there was a Christmas tree box in the dumpster, and I'm on the hunt for a flocked Christmas tree without having to buy one, obviously, and that's exactly what it was, and it was perfect, and it felt full, but unfortunately it wasn't, so that's fine, but maybe today. Oh, wow. Okay, tons of cereal. That looks delicious. Bag here, that's probably something. Another weighted blanket. Cookies. No, that's just garbage. Tons more cereal back there. Maybe something in there. Oh wow. Okay, I just gotta start grabbing, guys. You can just see it's absolutely filled with cereals and stuff. Compared to what was in the dumpster, I took barely anything of what was in there. I'll show you guys, of course, at the end, but I think that's a different store. It's a heavily dove area, and I believe there was actually someone there waiting that had pulled up after I got there who was gonna dumpster dive, so I'm sure she took a lot more, but we're here at the craft store. The store next to it is getting a delivery. I just want to make sure it's not the craft store. I'll double check and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, I think we're safe. For now. This is full. It was full when I checked the other day too. Okay. Hey, these are windshield wipers. Aren't those? Pretty sure those are windshield wipers. This looks like it's from the auto parts store. I'm gonna come back around and check those. Yeah, this is all the same. I think my dad might want those windshield wipers. Isn't that what those are? That's empty though. So maybe these are actually garbage. Oh yeah. These aren't empty though. Okay, I'm gonna take the ones that aren't empty, even though I don't know if they'll fit, but I'll let you guys know. Alright, we are farther away from home now, And today is Monday for me, and I usually don't come out here on Monday. We're quite a ways from my house. But like I said, I'm still on the hunt for a big Christmas haul. And last year I found it on January 15th. And for me, today is the 13th. So this week I'm going to try to check this store a bit more often. Yeah. Oh, that'd be cool, but it's not in there. Alright, this is all the same stuff. So not today, unfortunately, but I'm going to come back for the rest of the week and maybe find a big Christmas haul here again this year, but if not, that's okay too. I have checked this next dumpster like multiple days in the past few weeks, and every single day, regardless which day of the week it is, it has been empty. So let's see if today continues that. No, it's not empty. Give me a second. Let's see if there's anything in that box. Looks like just foam. A broken pot. Alright, nothing good. Next stop, this is the one that hasn't been destroying their stuff recently. So super excited about that, but I think it's going to be empty today. Let's go check that box. Yeah. That's okay. I expected that. Alright, we're here at the pharmacy. This is going to be loud, so be careful with your ears. Oh, that wasn't bad at all, actually. Yeah. Alright, nothing new here. This is all garbage today, unfortunately. We'll check back later. Next spot. Just by driving by, it looked kind of empty. We have a broken spoon rest, unfortunately. Not empty, but not really looking like anything good. These are all frozen. Alright, still a huge mess over here. Looks like maybe somebody has been here. That's not in there. Alright, we're gonna call that one a bust today. Hitting our last two stops here. This is a home decor store that I haven't been finding, much at lately, and they tend to destroy, but it looks very full, like they haven't emptied it since I last checked. And obviously, someone's been here. I've been here multiple times too, since they last emptied it, so it looks like the same stuff. Yeah, just garbage in there today. My car is pretty full anyways. I'm just going to keep you guys with me while we head to the end of this strip mall to the bed and bath store. This is where those people had dumped all their own stuff, and I'm assuming it's probably still in there. And I'm going to be quiet at this one because it is right by the door. But you never know. I don't know what that stuff was. I always like to pull up a little bit farther so my car is a little bit hidden. That's a big broken mirror. There's actually maybe two of them. Yeah, there's two of them. Even the frame is broken and it's huge, so I'm not going to take that. Yeah, here's what... that's a chair, and this is like a dirty whiteboard that somebody dumped. It's cracked. That's kind of cool, though. But I don't have room for that. I don't know if that towel warmer's not in there, but look. The back looks like there might be a blanket in it. This mirror actually looks pretty good, but I don't have room for that in my car or my home. unfortunately. Okay, that looks like UGG to me. Yes, please. I have to put you guys away, but I'm taking that. Alright, so I took the bag. I'm not sure if it's UGG or not. I'm actually thinking it's probably not, but I'm going to investigate that. Stick around for actually just a second for you guys, and I will be right back with the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed the live dive. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Before we get to the little recap here, it was actually a really great day of diving. I also found a few things that I did not film, so those will be in a different haul in a few days. But also look out tomorrow for this bag. If you remember me finding that, I'm going to do a mystery unbagging of that for you guys. So look out for that tomorrow, like I said. Before we get into the haul, I know that a lot of people are thinking, and I'm still going to get a lot of comments about it, that I should have just taken everything I found and donated it. And while I agree that the sentiment is correct, physically and mentally and emotionally and timely, I cannot do that. You saw how full that dumpster was, and some of you kind of can see how small my house is based on the house tours. My house is small. I have very minimal storage, and like most people, I am very busy. I do not have the time or the space or honestly the energy to donate all of that food because it was past its best by date, which means the food pantries won't take it. So I wouldn't be able to just drive it over to the food pantry. I would have to find individual families to give it to. I only ended up taking a little bit of it, honestly, just not even really a dent, because I do have one family that I know will take it. But I don't have, 10, 20 families right offhand that I would be able to give that to. So, like I've said before, my area is heavily dived. I can almost bet you money that that stuff at this moment is already gone. It's been less than 12 hours since I went to that dumpster. I am going to go back again and check today. If it's still there, I will take more and continue to donate it. If not, then we already know it's been saved by someone else. I don't feel bad anymore about leaving food. I used to because comments like that got to me. Like I feel the same way. I do feel like I should donate everything I find, all the food that is. But I just can't with my lifestyle right now. I hope someday I will be able to. I hope I'll have more space, and I hope I will be able to stop some of the current things that I'm doing. Like I've told you guys before, I really overcommitted myself this year, but I'm sticking to it. And I just don't have the means right now to find all the families to donate to. So I am going to donate this and all the stuff you see in tomorrow's and the next day's video. I actually have quite a bunch of stuff already to give to a family. But unfortunately, I can't save it all. So that is just my little disclaimer. Please don't comment that I need to take everything because, like I've said before, I try my best, but it's not my job to save the world. The stores are who we should be upset with. They should be donating. So with that said, and thank you for those people who understand. With that said, let's get right into the haul. I found this little 3-tier bookshelf right here. It says the holes were drilled incorrectly. I'm not so sure about that, but I did open this up. Well, it was opened. I took everything out, and there's no hardware in here, like the little connectors. They are not in here. So I'm sure that's a pretty easy find to get at the hardware store or something. But I'm not really sure if it's drilled incorrectly or not. I think maybe it's good. We will have to check it out, but I do like the wood finish on that. And then I have some slippers. These are a great find because I do believe they will fit me and my boyfriend. Just this one can, I can get 10 cents for that. I have 5 boxes of the Pop-Tart cereal, 4 brown sugar cinnamon, and 1 frosted strawberry. 4 boxes of these Jif Power-Up soft baked bars. An extra long heating pad right there. Some cheese and sausage holiday sampler. It looks like one of the sausages was stolen, but there's still a garlic summer sausage and some cheddar cheese, as well as crackers and little tiny mustard, so that's cute. Back here is another weighted blanket. I just found 2 of these. This one says defective, so I'll check it out. I don't know. I'm assuming it was probably just a return. How big is this one? This one doesn't really say how much it weighs, does it? I can't see it anywhere. Nope, I don't know. Right here, I have 2 windshield wipers. This is the only one that was a set. They are a Bosch 22 Snow Driver. I'm pretty sure they're new. It looks like it has everything in there. The craft store that I found these at is right next to an auto supply store. So I'm not really sure. I'll have my dad investigate. I think they look new. I don't really know. It does have this little part at the top that's still wrapped. Oh, I'm dropping them. So I'll give those to my dad. Oh, wait, you know, now that I'm looking at them, they don't even match. This one's a 20 and that one's a 22. So, I don't know. We'll see. And then the best part of the haul, which I'm actually really thankful I found, because if I didn't see it poking out the edge of that bag, I would have never opened that bag. I would have just assumed it was garbage because I've never seen that store throw things away in bags before. So now I'm going to have to start checking, obviously. But this is a queen-size blanket, which is perfect because I have a queen bed. And like I suspected at first, it is UGG. I have found quite a few UGG blankets. I haven't investigated it thoroughly yet, but based off of what I can see... Oh, man, I'm hitting my plants. Based off of what I can see... Sorry, I'm just going to prop him back up. It's fine. I'm assuming it's just a return. Even if there is a little tear in it, I can stitch that back up. Typically, this store dumps like really gross stuff all over their blankets, but like you could see from the bag when we were in the dumpster, there was a pop bottle that was in the bag with this, and all they did was dump the pop on it. So you can kind of see where the pop spilled, but that's an easy clean. I will just rinse that off, dry it out, take it to the laundromat if I need to, and that should be good to go. I'm hoping to use that on our bed. Very fuzzy on the inside. Super soft, and a nice quilted gray pattern on the outside. So that's it for the haul and the dive today. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and check back in the next 2 days. I will be having videos up tomorrow and Thursday, hopefully if I remember, I should. Keep sharing and commenting and liking on my videos. My channel's kind of been struggling recently, which is partially my fault. I haven't been filming as often as I have in the past, but I've just been losing subscribers and my views are down. So I'm trying to work it back up. So just share with your friends and keep watching and keep supporting. So thank you guys as always, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.